How to fix a problem was detected with the Truedepth camera. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on software update. Here, go ahead and update the latest version of iOS as sometimes Face ID errors appear after a bugged update. Next, in Settings again tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Reset all settings and see if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then go back to Settings and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Here, if Setup Face ID is grayed out, then it could be a hardware issue, so you might need to take your iPhone to a certified Apple service center in order to help you fix your issue. Also, make sure that Face ID cannot be fixed by software if the error appears immediately on unlock, or Face ID setup fails instantly, or your screen was replaced outside Apple. You can then also try to force restart or restart your iPhone, as force restarting or simply restarting your iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix a problem was detected with the Truedepth camera on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.